Assalamu alaikum. I have this BIOS file to repair. It belongs to an HP laptop that has an Intel 13th Gen CPU. The problem is when I'm trying to use Modular Flash Image tool in order to clean the ME region, I get this annoying error message, failed to initialize MFS. Don't worry, I will show you how to solve this issue in the next few minutes. Here is the version of Modular Flash Image tool. It is 16.1. I need to analyze my file using ME Analyzer tool. As you can see, this is the ME version, SKU, chipset, file system state is initialized, means it is not clean, and the version of Flash Image tool is 16.1. As with what we already have, this is the suitable stock ME region that I will use to clean my file. It has the same ME version, SKU, chipset, and file system state is configured, so I can use it. I will give this file a short name like this. Then I have to open this file again using ME Analyzer and write this command to decompress the ME to small partitions. It will take a few seconds. Now it is done. We have 45 partitions, but we only need 2 of them, MFS and EFS. Go to the path of ME Analyzer on your device. There will be a new file created, unpacked plus your file name. We have to copy 2 partitions, as I said before, EFS and MFS. Open both files on your hex editor besides your original file. Now I need to locate the address or the offset of each one to replace it in my original file. So I will open my file using ME Analyzer and write this command. Look for flash partition table. This one here. From this table we can know the beginning, the length, and the end of the partitions. This offset should be the beginning of the MFS partition in my file. So I will go to this offset. I will copy the whole data from MFS file and choose paste right. The length of the MFS file should be the same as mentioned in flash partition table, and for sure the end offset should be the same. Now I have to do the same steps for EFS partition. Here is the beginning offset. Copy the whole data and choose paste right there. As you know, the length of EFS file should be the same as mentioned in flash partition table. And for sure the end offset should be the same as well. After that, go and save as the file. I will add no errors to the old name, .bin. Now if I analyze the file using ME Analyzer, it will be configured. But believe me, it is not clean yet. We just did this to let Modular Flash Image tool accept our file so we can move forward and clean it. As you can see, the tool accepts the file, no errors at all. Image decomposed successfully. Now choose Save Config. Config Save. Copy the stock ME region. Go to this path and replace it with ME subpartition. Open the saved file. Config loaded successfully. Press on build. Build successful. And we have image file. I can analyze the file to be sure from what I did. Again, this other file is not clean. It is just configured because we replaced MFS partition. You can see both files have the same ME version, SKU and chipset. The difference is the file system state. It is configured in the image file because it is clean. That is all what I can do to fix an issue like this. You can also follow the same steps for versions 16, 15, 14 and so on. I hope you learned something good this video and we'll see you soon inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.